Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about fake news. In today's digital world, we are constantly surrounded by information. But not all of this is true. From social media feeds to news websites, fake news has been becoming a big problem in our daily lives. In this video, we are going to explore the rise of fake news, why it's such a huge problem, and what we can do about it. A recent documentary dives deep into this issue of fake news, showing us how misinformation spreads and impacts society. It explores how social media platforms, blogs, and even traditional news outlets can play in a part of a rising of fake narratives. The documentary makes it clear algorithms, echo chambers, and sensational headlines are feeding a dangerous cycles where lies spread faster than the truth. Whether it's influencing elections or dividing communities, fake news has the power to reshape our world. So, what do you think about this? Fake news is a massive problem. It's not just about misinformation, but also manipulation. Fake news erodes trust in our institutions, divides us as people, and distorts us from the truth. When we can't trust the information we get, how can we make informed decisions? We need to address these issues because if we don't, we risk future damage to the society, our democracy, and even our personal relationships. Now, let's talk about solutions. Here are some solutions I believe can help us tackle the issues of fake information. First, media literacy. We need to teach people, especially young generations, how to evaluate information they see online. This means learning to spot credible resources, cross-checking the facts about sharing something before sharing something. It's crucial that we all know how to think critically in this age of misinformation. Second, accountability for social media platforms. Social media companies need to take responsibility for the content they promote. They should use better algorithm to detect fake news and take action against those who are intentionally spreading fake news. Fake news isn't just a problem for journalists or social media companies. It affects all of us. But the good news is there are things we can do to combat it by promoting media literacy, holding platforms accountable, supporting fact-checking organizations, and encouraging responsible journalism. We can make a difference. Let's work together to ensure that the truth always prevails, because at the end of the day, the truth matters.